Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day, students. Today we're going to continue our PHP Maker lesson. So today will be the last PHP Maker lesson. So I need you to open back your project. But before that, please turn on your XAMPP. So make sure you turn on your XAMPP, right? So open back the PHP Maker project. Alright. Alright, so for today, I'm going to show you on how to create a reports from the PHP Maker. So this report you can be used as an output from your system. Maybe you want to come up with a statistic on your records in the systems, right? So you can produce a few reports based on your systems. So for today, I'm going to show you on how to create a report regarding the treatment, maybe by months, right, or treatment by patients, or maybe I can create a report based on treatment by doctors, right, or maybe I can create a report based on the statistic of patient, right, the statistic of medicine. I can create a chart regarding the total of patient or medicine, or maybe the treatment by months and so on. So to do that, right, uh, we have to create a custom view first. So this custom view actually will work as a query that you can combine multiple tables to become one sources. So to do this one, so point your cursor to the custom view, right clicks and click the create view. So from here, right, from this window, the first thing first, okay, you have to give a name for your query, right? So maybe I can give this one is a treatment by month, for example. All right, so the next step, you have to select which table that you can use for the sources of the records. So I need to have this treatment. Just click and drag to your screen here like this. All right, alright, I think, okay, maybe I'm going to have the doctor name here. So I can click like this, right? The relation automatically will be done for you. So this is all the available fields, right, that you can use to display in your output. So for example, let's say I want to display the treatment ID, the treatment dates, and the doctor ID, for examples, and maybe I need a doctor name here. Okay, if you want the, let's say, the patient number also can here, and let's say I need details about the patient, I just drag patient here, right? I need the patient name, right? Maybe the contact number. Alright, so this is the output that I want for my reports. You can try to run to see the outputs, right? So this will become the outputs. Right, later on you can sort the treatment by dates and so on, right? Okay, so go back to the browser here, right? Just click OK. Okay, I already create one view here, right? So we're going to use this view to create the report. So what I need you to do, just click this report, right click, and then there's a few of report here, right? But for today, I'm going to show you on how to create a summary reports. So click this add summary reports, right? You can give a name of your report. So for example, this is a treatment. Sorry, treatments by months. Alright, so and then this is the available tools, available tables and view that you can use for the source of the report. Since we already create the treatment by months, so just select the treatment by months. Alright, then you have to select the fields that are going to appear in this what we call in this form, right? And sorry, in this report. So I need all. Right, okay, you can group the reports. So maybe I want, okay, this title of the report is treatment by month, so I'm going to I'm going to group the report by dates. Okay, so you can put like this, treatment by dates like this, something like this. Okay, and then what you can do, you can sort here. Okay, the grouping level is you can put more than one, right? Okay, you can put show summary here, so you will total out how many what we call how many record in the same dates, right? You can sort your data here. Okay, this is sorting ascending or descending, right? And then the last part is summary values, right? So maybe I'm going to total the treatment ID here. I'm going to count how many treatment for the system, right? Okay, so just click OK here. Right, I already have here the treatment by months. Okay, so can you go back to your menu editor? We no need to view this treatment by months view in the menu, so just untick this one. All right, I need you to create one add item here and call it as a report. All right, and then just put this treatment by months. Pull down it, right? So it will be under report. So what you have to do, just click this, move down one level. So this statement by month is under reports, right? Okay, so the placement of the menu is up to you. If you want to put this one on left, so just leave it this navigation item like this. Don't tick this one. If you want to put the reports on top of the main screen, so the menu should be on top, you have to click this, right? Navigation bar items, right? So the report menu will be on the top of your screen. So click OK here, try to run, right? Try to generate back, and then we can see the output. Alright, the generate part is done completely done. Okay, try to preview back the your system. Alright, login, right? Alright, so can you see there is a one menu here, report treatment by month. If I click here, this is my report, and then this report is sorted by the dates. It's grouped by the dates. So for example, in 3rd April, there is one record here, right? And 5th of the May, there is a 2 record here, and the total of the record is 3, right? So this is one of the example of the reports. Okay, now go back to your PHP Maker. Maybe I'm going to create a report based on the patients, right? I'm going to create the report and also the chart. I'm going to let's say I'm going to group the report based on the gender. I'm going to show you I need the system to show me how many male and female patient in my systems, right? So again, okay, I no need to create the treatments, right? Since we already have the patient here, right? If you want to create a view here, meaning that if you want to combine a few table become one. If you want to use a single table, no need to create a view. Alright, to create the reports. Alright, again, go to reports, add a summary report here. Alright, so the title is patient by gender. Alright, so I can choose from the patient tables. Alright, not necessary you can select all. Okay, you can select the selected fields only. For example, I need the patient number, patient name, maybe uh, the contact numbers, and also the email and gender. Alright, I need this one only. It's up to you actually. Alright, and I can group it by gender. Alright, so you can sort by, let's say, patient name. So it will sort by A to Z. Alright, again you can go to summary. Okay, I want the system to calculate for me the patient the total of patients, right? So just click OK. Alright, now go back to your menu editor. So this patient by gender, pull it down, should be under reports, right? Like this, and then try to click OK. Alright, okay, I'm going to create the chart. Okay, still in the patient by gender here. You go to chart here, click plus here to add a chart. You can give a name of the chart, patient by gender, right? Okay, so here there is a few type of chart that you can use, right? You can try to play with this chart, right? Later on, if you are not satisfied with the chart, you can edit it, you can choose other chart, right, and so on. Okay, so for example, let's say for this time I'm going to use a column 2D charts, right? Make sure you tick this show. If not, your chart won't appear in the system. Alright, so okay, this is the most important part, right? The position of the chart, where you want to look, where you want to place the chart. Bottom means that the table will be on the top, and then the chart will be the bottoms of the tables. Right, it's up to you. You want to put top, left, right, or left, right, and bottoms, right? Okay, let's say I put just put it in bottoms. You can change the width and height also here. The color opacity here you can also change. Maybe I can put 100% so that I can see clearly the colors of the charts. Alright, the X and Y. Okay, this is very important. Which fields that you're going to select? The X and the Y. So maybe the X, I just select the gender, and for the Y, I'm going to select the patient number, and then summary value here I'm going to calculate, right? So count it. Okay, so you can go to advanced here, right? This is some of the advanced setting of the chart. You can set the animation, you can set the durations, right? So this is the animation of the chart, how the chart will be come out, right? You can display the legends, right? Legend is the reference of the chart. You can put top, left, bottom, right. It's up to you. Maybe I want to put it at the right of my charts. Alright, and what else? Alright, this is the title. If you want to display this title, you have to tick this one, the position where is maybe I'm going to put on the top of the chart the titles, right? You can change the font color here, right? And the tooltips here, you can tick, meaning that when you point to your cursor to the chart, there will be with text appear, right? And what else here you can play? Alright, this is some setting, other setting of the chart like area chart, donut pie chart, dataset chart, the dataset line chart, and so on. Right, please try to play with this thing, right? Okay, let's try to run this one. Alright, then we can see the output. Alright, go back to your browser. Please reload it. Okay, I have another chart here, patient by gender. Right? Can you see my chart here? Right, female got 2 and male got 1. So, right? So this one you cannot see, right? Okay. So this is how you can play with the things. Alright. Oh, maybe I'm going to show you on how to change the chart. Okay. So you can go back to the report. Just right click and edit report. No need to do again. Just click edit reports. sorry, just click here, sorry, and then go to the charts, and then from here go back to general. Okay, let's say I want to have the pi 2D chart. Alright, so okay, let's try to run it back. So I think you have to enter a few record, like 20 record, and then you can see the output is more better. Since I already have 3 records, it won't show better records. Right? So I advise you, for your project, make sure minimum is 10 records for each of the tables. Alright, so can I display back this thing, reload? Alright, now I can see better. Right, so this is my patient by gender, got 1 male and 2 female. Right, okay guys, okay, for today this is the lessons. Alright, okay, so what I need you to do is just finish this exercise and then concentrate on your project, because I'm going to give you a date that you have to submit your project. If you have anything that you want to ask me, please ask me. You can WhatsApp me or you can call me. Alright, should be no problems. Alright, hopefully you know how to create a system using this PHP Maker, and please start doing your project, right? So hopefully you understand whatever I teach you for today, and I ending my class today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.